Most people think downsizing saves money, but make one of these three common mistakes and it could cost you six figures. Let me explain. I've prepared this free guide just for you, and it's packed with tips and checklists and everything you need to know to make your move smooth and stress-free. Hi, I'm Linda McLean with Sotheby's International Realty Canada, and I'm a real estate agent in the area, helping people just like you transition to the next chapter of their life. Whether it's to save money, rid of maintenance, finally live life on your own terms, or downsizing could be a good option for you. And it could give you that financial freedom that you've always dreamed of. However, making a lifestyle change can be stressful. Where do you go? How do you find the perfect place? How do you move forward? And where do you even start? I'm offering you this free downsizing guide that includes everything you need to know to make sure that you have a smooth transition. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get it now for free.